At the Toro Company, our guiding principles shape everything we do, every decision we make, every product we create. It stems from our long history. Founded in 1914 in the American heartland, the Toro Company was built on a tradition of quality. Early on, we became known as an innovator of golf course equipment, a reputation which led to growth and expansion into new markets, from residential products to irrigation solutions. From the very beginning, our founders believed in the power of developing caring relationships. Our deep-rooted relationships with customers is unique. We listen carefully, and their feedback sparks innovative solutions. And because of our commitment to superior customer care, Toro's products are regularly seen grooming renowned venues for prestigious events worldwide. Our focus on caring relationships also connects us with our communities and attracts high-caliber talent to the Toro Company team. We've built a reputation based on a high level of trust and integrity. While we strive to be an industry leader, our values drive us to be a trusted leader. Our unique culture is the foundation on which we base our success. Because at Toro, how we do things is just as important as what we do. This is how we continue to build market leadership with customers in golf, residential, landscape contractor, rental and specialty construction, sports fields and grounds, professional snow and ice management, and agriculture. The depth and breadth of our family of brands serve these customers and businesses in nearly every country across the globe, with innovative products and solutions for the outdoor environment, including turf, snow, irrigation and lighting, landscape management, utility installation, and specialty construction. With a history of over 1,500 unique patents and counting, we continue to focus on research and development of the next generation of products, services, and solutions that will serve customers well into the future. As a steward of the land, we are committed to cultivating a beautiful, productive, and sustainable environment. Whether it's reducing emissions, conserving water, or increasing energy efficiency, we work to reduce our environmental footprint with the innovation of our products and the operation of our global manufacturing facilities. Building on the Toro Company's legacy of excellence, we look to our rich history to guide us forward. Because as we fulfill our mission to deliver superior innovation and superior customer care, we honor what got us here.